to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. और यहाँ हम बात करते हैं आपके बारे में, about your stars, about your opportunities, about how you can understand your own charts better and how you can do something about it. Seize the opportunity. And for that, you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Very easy to connect. saketbhatia.com website है उनकी, जहाँ आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं उनसे, और या फिर आप कॉल कर सकते हैं टू कनेक्ट विद हिम. थोड़ी देर में हम स्टूडियो लाइंस भी ओपन करेंगे, एंड विद दैट यू विल हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टॉक टू हिम राइट अवे. So let's open the show. Hello and welcome. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year, Vedika. Happy New Year to all the listeners of Radio Zindagi 1550 AM. ये हमारा साल का पहला शो है. It's exciting to be back. We haven't had a show in 2 weeks.
जी.
So, you know, नया साल है. Hopefully, शो में थोड़ा सा change आएगा. We will focus more now on people, more on the listeners, more on their issues, more on blockages, planets. पहले हमने एक साल बहुत सिखाया. Astrology क्या होती है, planets क्या हैं, why a planet does this and why it does that. But now on, we are going to talk more about how to improve your life. Simple remedies to improve your life. कुछ ब्लॉक हो रहा है तो कैसे फिक्स करना है. Realistic expectations कैसे रखनी है. How you can be more happy. Why you should be more successful. And how you can get from point A to point B. We'll be dividing the show into 3 parts. In general, astrology, numerology and vastu.
Okay.
Numerology हमने बहुत कम डिस्कस किया है.
Yeah, I think in just one show we talked about it.
2 shows.
2, okay.
2 shows on numerology, 2 on vastu. Now we'll be doing a lot more on numerology, a lot more on vastu. Because हमारे पास जो लोग आ रहे हैं, they are more focused on astrology, of course. But the increase in numerology and vastu is significantly a lot more.
Of course.
तो 2025 स्टार्ट हो गया.
जी.
बहुत लोग कह रहे हैं इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. आई एम ग्लैड 2025 स्टार्ट हुआ है. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. न्यू थिंग्स, न्यू होराइजंस. बट आज का जो शो है, इट इज नॉट अबाउट 2025 एक्चुअली. इट्स अबाउट लुकिंग बैक एट 2024.
And that's also very important.
इसका एक रीजन है. When you graduate from school, you want to go to college. You don't look back. When you get a job, you don't look back at college. You look at work, right? जब आप घर खरीदते हो, आप बोलते हो हमें रेंट नहीं करना, हमें घर लेना है. But why are we looking back at 2024? ऐसा क्या हो गया कि हम 2024 को देख रहे हैं? हम इसलिए देख रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें समझना है कि 2024 was a roller coaster ride for some people. Some people accomplished a lot and some people were fairly disappointed. तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या लेसन्स थे जो 2024 में आपने सीखे हैं. What are those things that you will bring forward into 2025? What are some lessons you have learned? How you will apply those lessons in your life? And more importantly, ऐसी क्या चीजें हुई थी 2024 में जो आपके साथ ही हुई हैं and not with other people? See, in 2024, many listeners may have gotten married. Many may have got a job. Many may have lost a job. Many may have had bad relationships. Many may have had a child. Many may have left the country and gone back. तो some may have got better health, some may have had sick health. तो ऐसा क्या है? What is causing this to happen? Whether you see yourself becoming successful or just in a wait and watch situation कि सब delay हो गया, remember you're not alone. ये सिर्फ आपके साथ नहीं हुआ है. It's happening to a lot of people. So what we are trying to do is we want to understand ये planet की placement क्या है? What was 2024 like? What will 2025 be for you? We will discuss it on the basis of astrology, numerology and vastu. So we want you to stay on this show. इस शो में हम रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे कि 2024 में क्या हुआ है. हम रिवील करेंगे कि 2025 में क्या होगा. एंड रीअलाइन करेंगे योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस विथ व्हाट रियली शुड बी हैपनिंग. क्योंकि एक अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, एक रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन. आई जस्ट हैड समबडी हु मेट मी टुडे जस्ट बिफोर आई केम फॉर द शो. एक एस्ट्रोलॉजी सेशन था. पर्सन वाज लाइक, शुड आई गेट प्रमोटेड दिस ईयर? And my first answer was, this was the year you should be starting your business, not the year you should be getting promoted. तो align कि क्या करना चाहिए with what is actually going to happen, you'll feel happier. For some people it could be a shock. You know, this is the year you're going to get married. But I haven't met anybody. Well, yes, you will magically meet somebody. These things happen automatically. In life, there is no such thing as coincidence. There is no such thing as chance. It
Absolutely.
is all planned. ये होता है for a reason. तो उसके बारे में बात करनी है, so we should get started with that.
And before we get started, I would like to remind the listeners that you can always connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408 639 5300. Again, the number where you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia after the show anytime, it's 408 639 5300. And the number to call on the studio line is 510 770 1550. And again, the website where you'll get all the information about Dr. Saket Bhatia is saketbhatia.com. His first and last name, saketbhatia.com. Yes.
So I have one question for you. लोग हमें question पूछते हैं.
और आप मुझे पूछते हैं.
Yeah. Why was 2024 such a complex year for many people?
Job market.
Nope. One word answer.
Oh, one word answer.
Why was 2024 such a complex year for so many people? One word answer.
I can get so many things in my mind, but there is no one word answer.
Astrology.
Okay.
The movement of the planets significantly impact your life. They influence everything in your life, from your health, family, happiness, mental status, children, finance, career. जैसे जैसे आप सीखोगे कि लाइफ कैसे बढ़ रही है, you will remember that the planets are the ones that really control you. Each time a planet moves through the sky, it moves through a particular house in your chart, it touches your life. It brings up energies that will either create clarity or will create difficulty in your life. इसे हम transit कहते हैं. These transits are very important. They make you understand and bring them at peace. एक direction देती है life में. अगर आपके 10th house पे Jupiter है, it is a planet of expansion. अगर 2024 में Jupiter was transiting your career, you have got a job, you have got a promotion, you have been able to move forward in your life, you got a new venture, something good happened to you in your career. On the other hand, if Saturn was sitting on your house, it was a time of difficulty for you. More responsibility, more challenges, more hard work, less appreciation, and more dissatisfaction at work. अगर केतु आपके 10th house पे बैठा था, chances are you may have even lost your job. On the other hand, अगर planet like Uranus is sitting on your 10th house, sudden shift, start a business, start a company, quit, start a franchise. These are traits. Last year, I have had a total of 1,428 appointments. Yes, 1,428 appointments is what I did last year. जिसमें से हमने एक-एक चार्ट देखी है, and it is clear cut. People who have had Jupiter transiting their 10th house have done well. Those who have had Saturn, Ketu, Mars on the other hand, Uranus have actually suffered in their career. See, this is very easy when we look at astrology. तो ये कह रहा हूँ आपको कि astrology does this. Mercury is a planet of communication, speech, business. He has gone retrograde, right? जब retrograde जाते हैं हम सिर्फ ये कहते हैं be calm, don't talk too much, miscommunication होगा, business में problems होगा. That's why when people come to us and say I'm trying to raise money for my venture, we say nope, Mercury is in retrograde, अब मत करना. Mercury retrograde बहुत बार जाता है साल में. Understand what the planet does and just do it at the right time and you will be successful. अगर दशा आपके फेवर में है, go. दशा नहीं है फेवर में, be quiet. It doesn't take much time. Sit quiet for 6 months, enjoy your life, plan, don't take action. But जब action का time आता है, we tell you what you need to do.
And I'm sure Jupiter retrograde ये बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा, but how it is impacting them
See,
and how they can use the time.
Jupiter goes retrograde, and when he does go, अब retrograde है. He comes out of retrograde in this month, but it impacts you when it is retrograde in your chart.
Right.
अगर Jupiter आपकी कुंडली में retrograde नहीं है, it's not necessarily going to impact you.
Okay.
On the other hand, if he is retrograde and he's sitting on your house of career, it's actually still good for you. It may be a time you should interview more companies as opposed to getting a job. It won't give you that beneficial result. But अगर retrograde है आपकी कुंडली में और planet भी retrograde है, it will impact everything it represents, the houses it owns and the house it sits in. For example, Shani retrograde है
Okay.
right now. Saturn in my kundli owns the third and the fourth house, which is house of courage and the house of property, real estate, happiness at home. And it also sits in the house of luck. So we know that those all things will take a backseat for a while.
But Saturn, okay, because it's retrograde, because it is responsible for property.
Yes, and it is retrograde in my birth chart
so
as well.
It'll take a back.
So it will
Makes
take a
sense.
backseat. But if it's not retrograde in your chart, it's not going to impact you that much.
Okay.
So let's be very clear. Retrograde planet आपको असर करता है if it is retrograde in your kundli, number one. Number two, it will only impact you the houses it owns और कहाँ बैठा है for the duration of the retrograde. उसके बाद things become normal.
Okay.
It's good to know those things, right?
Absolutely.
It's like if you are dehydrated, you really shouldn't be running. You should take it easy, drink small sips of water, drink some milk. It's supposed to be good for you, and then you can go back running again.
Makes sense. So we have couple of callers. Can we quickly start taking calls?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
हेलो या
Hi, how are you?
आई एम गुड भाटिया जी, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक
नमस्ते.
हूँ. Namaste. Happy New Year to you.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू. या
How can I help you?
मेरी हेल्प करें. आपने बहुत पहले भी हेल्प की है 2-3 दफा मेरी बेटी के लिए. जो जो पूछा है मैंने, आप बिल्कुल सही निकला है वो.
Thank you so much.
अभी एक
आप
और
वही हो जो मिठाई लाने वाले थे लेकिन लाए नहीं.
ओह, तो अब नए साल में हो ही जाए मिठाई.
हो जाएगी.
Like I remember.
See,
ओह माय गॉड.
Yes.
we don't forget
Good
मिठाई.
आई नो. नहीं मैं लेके आऊंगी जरूर.
So,
तो अभी ये है. हाँ, अभी मेरी बेटी वो जॉब, उसको अभी डॉक्टर है, तो उसकी अभी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रही है, किया भी है और मिल भी गए. लकीली शी इज ब्लेस्ड. शी हैव 2 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इन द हैंड्स, एंड वन इन UCLA एंड वन इन नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न शिकागो, जहाँ पर अभी रेजिडेंसी कर रही है.
okay.
बट अभी थोड़ी बहुत वो है, कहाँ जाऊँ मिस, कौन सा बेस्ट रहेगा, क्योंकि उसके बॉयफ्रेंड का अलग कहीं और हो रहा है. तो वो इस सिचुएशन के लिए मैं अभी थोड़ा एड ऑन भी कर रही हूँ और चीजें, इसीलिए रीजन यही है.
Okay.
तो अभी क्या करें, अभी कौन सा उसके लिए सूटेबल रहेगा.
तो
सेम प्लेस.
what is her date of birth?
डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 7th November 1994, मंडे 2:30 इन सेंटा क्लारा.
Santa Clara. टाइम क्या था?
2:30 PM.
Okay, 14:30. And question आपका यही है कि which place is better for her?
Exactly.
Whether she's doing in Northwestern वहीं रहे कि is it better for her to go to UCLA, right?
Yes.
तो अभी कुंडली जो इनकी बनती है, she's an Aries ascendant. Aries का रूलर मार्स है, which is placed in sort of a debilitated state. In debilitated मतलब थोड़ा weak state में बैठा है 4th house में. अगर एजुकेशन की बात होती है, रेजिडेंसी इज कंसिडर्ड एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ मेडिसिन. फॉर दैट वी विल फोकस ऑन 9th हाउस. 9th हाउस में मून बैठा है, राहु की दशा चल रही है. राहु जो होता है अपनी दशा में कहता है, एंड व्हेन इज द रेजिडेंसी एक्सपेक्टेड टू स्टार्ट?
स्टार्ट हो गई है, 3rd ईयर अभी खत्म करेगी.
तो शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट जॉब नाउ, राइट?
या
तो एंड उसका स्टार्ट विल बी इन 25 और 26?
25 में. या 25 जून में जॉब शुरू करेगी, जुलाई में भी. हाँ,
Okay, sir.
ग्रेजुएशन.
2025 जून में she will be running Rahu Mars dasha, and Mars is actually saying she will be leaving Northwestern to some other location.
ओके.
Okay.
Okay.
उसके बाद जो राहु जुपिटर स्टार्ट होता है, which is relationship phase dasha, that's actually a very good dasha for your daughter, for relationship, for work, for settling down in life. My suggestion is move from Northwestern to UCLA. That is my suggestion. It just makes more sense. कुंडली के हिसाब से it is a better prospect for her.
ओके. गुड टू नो. एंड वो उसका जो अभी एड ऑन जो मैंने दूसरा क्वेश्चन किया है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन शी इज कंफ्यूज्ड. एंड उसके बॉयफ्रेंड को रीलोकेट, लास्ट टाइम 2 वीक्स पहले मैंने उसके बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए पूछा था आपसे, तो उसको वो LA में है अभी, बट वो उसको रेजिडेंसी के लिए ऑरेगन भेज रहे हैं. 1 साल और है उसका रेजिडेंसी का बचा हुआ.
That doesn't
वो
matter.
अभी
That doesn't matter.
नहीं.
She'll be fine with him.
ओके.
This is a good phase. She should be absolutely fine with him. No problem taking place all the way down till 2028 January. Relationship में there is no issue.
Oh, thank God. Good.
Okay.
Good to know. Okay. अभी मिठाई तो मैं लेके ही आऊंगी बस
Absolutely.
जल्दी ही.
Thank you so much. You take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, you too.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. You can connect with Dr. Bhatia if you have further questions at 408-639-5300. Again, the number where you can reach Dr. Bhatia is 408-639-5300 और वेबसाइट है saketbhatia.com to know कि किस लोकेशन पे आपको मिठाई लानी. Let's take another call. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for holding. Hello, can
Hello?
you hear?
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
हेलो साकेत जी, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग माय कॉल. मैं आपका कॉल स्टार्टिंग से सुन रहा था, तो उसमें आपने बताया कि आपने उसी से रिलेटेड मेरा भी सवाल है कि मैं भी मेरे करियर के उस फेज में हूँ कि 7 साल से एक कंपनी में हूँ और अब मुझे डिसीजन लेना है कि मैं कंटिन्यू करूँ इसी जॉब में. दूसरा ऑप्शन है कि मैं जॉब नया अप्लाई करूँ, या तीसरा है कि मैं बिजनेस के लिए प्लान करूं. तो मेरे को जानना था कि क्या दिख रहा है मेरी कुंडली में, मेरे लिए क्या अच्छा रहेगा, और बिजनेस भी करना है तो कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए, ये मेरा सवाल रहेगा.
What is your name if you're comfortable giving it?
या मेरा नाम जगदीश है.
Okay, Mr. Jagdish, what is your date of birth?
डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज 22 अप्रैल 1984.
22nd April 1984. Okay. And
Yeah.
place of birth
जोधपुर.
and time of birth?
5 PM शाम का.
Okay. 5 p.m. This is Jodhpur, Gujarat, Haryana के राजस्थान?
राजस्थान.
Okay. 5 p.m. तो आपका क्वेश्चन है, should you continue working in this company or should you start your own business? If you should start, what field you should start your own business in?
करेक्ट. या फिर शुड आई इंटरव्यू फॉर द न्यू जॉब.
देखिए, अभी जो कुंडली आपकी बनती है, दैट्स वर्गो असेंडेंट. वर्गो का रूलिंग प्लैनेट इज मर्क्यूरी, जो आपकी कुंडली में रेट्रोग्रेड है और सन के साथ बैठा है. बट मर्क्यूरी इज कंबस्ट एंड वेरी बैडली कंबस्ट, सो दैट मीन्स यू विल हैव some difficulty at work. I don't know what work difficulty you have, but ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है जो आपने पूछा है, बिकॉज अभी जुपिटर जो प्लैनेट है वो 6 महीने में आपके करियर पे आएगा, एंड यू विल बी रनिंग जुपिटर सैटर्न दशा, विच इज अ दशा ऑफ गेन्स. व्हाई डू यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस नाउ? क्या रीजन क्या है?
रीजन तो यही है कि थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम लेना है. मतलब ये जॉब कब तक करना है, तो वो मतलब, और जॉब के साथ साथ भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, मैं जॉब में टाइम निकाल के कर भी सकता हूँ. तो मुझे बस गाइड करना है कि मैं इसी जॉब में रह के बिजनेस शुरू करूँ, नया जॉब लेके करियर पे फोकस करूँ. कि मेरा वैसे 1.5 साल पहले प्रमोशन हो रखा है, तो मुझे ये डिसीजन लेना है कि अभी मेरा प्रमोशन यहाँ पे तो नहीं मिलना है, तो मुझे डिसीजन लेना है कि मैं इसी जगह पे रहूं और या फिर साइड में बिजनेस शुरू करूं या फिर नए जॉब में जाके करियर पे फोकस करूं. तो ये मेरा को क्वेश्चन है मेरा.
ओके, यू आर ए वर्गो असेंडेंट. वर्गो इज रन बाय मर्क्यूरी. 8th हाउस जो होता है, दैट इज द हाउस ऑफ हिडन स्टफ, जो बाहर की दुनिया को नहीं दिखता, जो आपको दिखता है. You have sun, which is leadership, and Mercury, which is business in the 8th house. So it is your desire, not from today. ये पहले का desire है आपका कि कुछ business start करना. ये अब से नहीं आया है. It's been there for a while. You have Saturn, which is ability to work hard and money, which is sitting in the 2nd house. वो भी exalted है. Sun भी आपका exalted है. These are excellent placements. But my suggestion is wait for Jupiter to come into Gemini in 5 months from today. You will either get a promotion or you should switch your job. Once you do that, you can start thinking of starting a career or starting your business side by side, but do not quit your job. अगर job quit भी करनी है, you should not do that before March of 2027, because तब तक आपका business इतना grow नहीं होगा. Does that make sense? Start your business. Now, what field you want to start your business is very difficult for me to tell you in 2 minutes here. इसलिए हम कहते हैं, if you want, take an appointment, come in, we can talk for an hour at length. बात करते हैं what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, because आपकी कुंडली में मार्स अपने घर में बैठा है, जुपिटर अपने घर में बैठा है, सन is exalted, Saturn is exalted, but Mercury is combust. So we have to figure out what kind of manager you will be, what kind of business you will do, and बैठ के बात करो, it will make more sense. And your Venus
ठीक है।
is exalted, so you need a partner. You need somebody to partner with you to start this business. It will do much better for you.
Got it.
Okay? Feel free to call.
Yeah.
We can discuss at length, and we can have this essentially taken good care of. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
We have another caller. Hello, thanks for waiting. You are on air with Dr. Bhatia.
जी नमस्ते भाटिया जी. Happy New Year.
Namaste. Happy New Year to you. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
मुझे थोड़ी खांसी है. Otherwise, everything seems okay.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you.
Yeah. जी भाटिया जी, मेरा question, the previous caller who called, I'm his wife. तो मुझे देखना था कि क्या मेरे भी कुंडली में business लिखा है क्या? Then he will get a partner. Follow.
Good question.
So his
I-
in his कुंडली जिन्होंने कॉल किया था अभी, right? He was born
हाँ.
in Jodhpur, right?
Yes.
And his kundli, he had Venus, which is this essentially representing wife, in the 12th house. वो exalted है, but एक issue होता है. Venus in the 12th house, Venus in the 7th house कारक होता है, और जब कारक अपने घर में बैठता है, it will give a little bit of stress to that particular person. Business कर सक-
To him or to me?
he will give you
Or to
stress
both.
in the business.
Okay.
But Navam chart
Okay.
में it is very well placed. So let's go ahead. Let's at least see what your date, place, time is. What is your place of
Yeah.
birth?
My place of birth is Nagpur.
Maharashtra.
I'm born on Nagpur, Maharashtra, December 16th, रात के 2 बजे.
December 16th, रात के 2 बजे.
Yes.
Which year?
1984.
Okay. So let's look at your kundli also.
Mm-hmm.
December 16, 1984, Maharashtra, Nagpur.
That's right.
अच्छा, आपकी कुंडली जो बनती है, you happen to be another Virgo ascendant, and आपका मून बैठा है ascendant में, which is considered a good placement. Mercury केतु के साथ बैठा है, राहु केतु और exalted, Mars भी exalted है, Jupiter. So your question is, should you start a business with your husband or no?
Yes.
Actually, you should. In 1 second, it is
Okay,
easy
that's
for us to say you should. But mind you, you should start. आप दोनों husband wife का शनि जो है वो second house में है. So
Okay.
you will both have to put a lot of effort, but you will get the results. You will get a good amount of money there. क्योंकि आपका भी शनि exalted है, इनका भी शनि exalted है. Here is my tip. His Mercury is retrograde, yours is retrograde. His Venus is exalted in 7th house, your Jupiter is sitting in its own house. Meet me, sit, spend some good quality time, plan out your business venture very carefully, because अब Jupiter की दशा चल रही है आपकी, और इनकी भी जो दशा चल रही थी वो business की दशा start हो रही है. You have about
Okay.
few months left before you can start. Do it the right way. Make sure you plan it out, execute, because you can do very well. Okay?
Okay. तो
Start.
बेसिकली साक्षी हमारा बेसिकली है बिजनेस में हमारा अच्छा हो सकता है, जस्ट दैट इट नीड्स अ गुड प्लानिंग एंड सम गाइडेंस एंड वी कैन डू फाइनेंशियली गुड.
No, you will do financially good. Astrology में we could नहीं होता, we will होता है. Magnitude आपके ऊपर होता है. You will do financially well. That is undoubtedly given. But how well you do will depend upon your planning and your hard work. Because शनि बैठ गया वहाँ. वो exalted
Okay,
है तो
okay.
देगा. Result जल्दी fast देता है. Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much, Saket ji.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.
You can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia by calling 408-639-5300 or by logging on to saketbhatia.com. And listeners, let me remind you that you can always visit the website. You can put your details. You can create your own chart.
Yes.
And of course, अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं info@saketbhatia.com. So first step आपको लेना है, and then things definitely will get clearer.
It's always important, when you're starting a business. Like if you're going for a marathon, you're going for a big race, you always check with your physical trainer. You check with a doctor. How good am I? Do I need to lose weight? Same thing here. Agar chart ke, like that individual who just called, I told him don't quit. There is no should I work or should I start a business. You should do both because अभी तक quit करने का time आया नहीं. And this year is actually going to be better for him because 6 महीने बाद जब Jupiter उस घर में आता है, it's only going to do far better for him. It's far superior placement. तो हम ये कह रहे हैं कि important planets, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Moon, emotional fluctuation, ये सब होता है. When we look back at 2024, एक ऐसा साल होगा जहां पर हमें कंफर्ट भी मिला, डिस्कंफर्ट भी मिला, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी मिली, अनएक्सपेक्टेड टर्न्स भी मिले हैं. द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड यू लर्न इन 2024? हाउ डिड यू नेविगेट योर चैलेंजेस इन 2024? व्हाट इनसाइट्स डिड यू गेन? अगर आपको इस 3 क्वेश्चंस पे क्लैरिटी है, you will be more comfortable going into 2025. Don't just run into 2025 because 2025 आया है. देखिए, कोई भी स्टेप आप लाइफ में लेते हो, whether it is up or down, it has an invaluable lesson. Don't forget that the most challenging events also actually result in a very profound awakening for us. हम strong बनते हैं, हमें सीखना है. We are not, children here, we are adults. हमें पता है लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है, कैसे हुआ है. सो लर्न टू एक्सेप्ट इट, बी मोर रियलिस्टिक, एंड आपकी लाइफ में जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है, ग्रैब इट, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट 2025 टू बी अनदर ईयर विच जस्ट वेंट बाय व्हाइल यू सैट एंड लुक्ड एट इट. अगर आपकी कुंडली में लिखा है स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, स्टार्ट वन. अगर कुंडली कहती है दिस इज द ईयर यू रियली शुड फुलफिल योर डिजायर एंड ट्रैवल, डू दैट. इफ दिस इज द ईयर टू गेट मैरिड, डू दैट. जो लिखा है करो. Get doing at the right time, it is better for you.
And Kundli can give you that right time.
It is the only one that will give you the right time.
Of course.
The only thing.
जी. So listeners सुन रहे हैं द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो, जहां हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया, who has a PhD in astrology and he is a certified numerologist as well. So if you have any question regarding astrology, numerology, you can always connect with him. He's right here in the Bay Area. एंड आप उनसे मिल सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, अपने चार्ट्स को डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. एंड एज आई रिमाइंडेड यू कि वेबसाइट पर जाकर अपना चार्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट बाय दैट एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स टॉक टू हिम. सो वी हैव अनदर कॉलर.
श्योर.
हेलो, यू आर ऑन एयर विद डॉक्टर भाटिया.
नमस्ते डॉक्टर जी. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Happy New Year to you. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. I always enjoy your show.
Thank you so much.
And learn every show something new. Thank you. मैं ये सोच रहा, मैं घर लेने का सोच रहा हूँ ये साल, पर वो उसके लिए फाइनेंस कंडीशन कैसे होंगे 2025 में, उस पे मुझे आपसे थोड़ी हेल्प चाहिए.
What is your date of birth?
April 15, 1969.
April 15th, 1969. Okay.
जी. तो प्लेस है पिंपरी, पुणे, महाराष्ट्र.
And time of birth?
9:55 a.m.
Pimpri, Maharashtra, 9:55 a.m. you said?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. जो घर लेना चाहते हो, is it primary residence or is it secondary residence?
No, it's a secondary. Primary already I have it.
Okay. Is it going to be in America के बाहर लेना चाहते हो?
अमेरिका.
लोकल के कोई डिफरेंट स्टेट में? कितने क्वेश्चंस होते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, क्या करें?
कहीं पे भी हो जाए, आउट ऑफ स्टेट या स्टेट. मींस आई हैव टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी. दैट्स व्हाट माय ड्रीम इज.
April 15, 1969, 9:55 in the morning in Pimpri, Maharashtra.
Yes.
You're a Taurus ascendant. पुणे. Yeah, Taurus ascendant. And Taurus का जो रूलर होता है वो Venus है. Venus जब ascendant lord 11वें घर में बैठता है, it represents property. Okay. Venus is property. But Venus retrograde हुआ पड़ा है तो थोड़ा वीक हो जाता है, डिले देगा लाइफ में, बट गेन्स अच्छे देगा ओवर टाइम. जुपिटर जो कारक है वो उसको भी देख रहा है. दशा चल रही है मून की, एंड वीनस इज एक्सॉल्टेड इन द नेचुरल ज़ोडिएक इन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइन. अब केतु जो है वो आपके 5वें घर पे है, और केतु रेट्रोग्रेड है ना, तो वो 6ठे घर में जाएगा. व्हेन डू यू वांट टू बाय अ हाउस? लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. कब लेना है?
अप्रैल के बाद.
देखो, अप्रैल के बाद केतु जो है वो उस घर में आ जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टी के घर में. तो अप्रैल के बाद जब मई में वो आता है, जून में एक्चुअली 18 महीने के लिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम देगा वहां.
अच्छा.
तो माय सजेशन इज, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई बाइंग अ हाउस नाउ?
ओके.
अब से लेके जून तक घर लेने का टाइम बेटर है आपके लिए. एक बार जून आ जाता है एंड केतु आता है, वी ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज रेकमेंड डोंट डू इट. इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल फॉर यू.
ओके.
दशा मून की है तो finances will not be a problem for you. It will not be an issue. If you can play smart, you can play safe, then go ahead and try buying between now and June. उसके बाद the property that you buy may not be beneficial for you. It will not
अच्छा।
appraise in value as much as you think. Okay?
और ये मीन राशि है मेरी, राइट, आप जो बता रहे हो?
That's correct.
थैंक यू
Okay.
सो मच फॉर
चलो।
योर टाइम, आई अप्रिशिएट
Good
इट,
luck.
थैंक यू।
Bye.
We have another caller. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
नमस्ते भाटिया जी,
नमस्ते, कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
I
एंड
am-
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू एंड योर फैमिली।
थैंक यू सो मच, द सेम टू यू। हम सब हमको बोलते
Yes,
बेचारी
thank you.
वेदिका यहाँ बैठी है, उनको भी बोल दो।
ओह यस, वेदिका जी, डेफिनेटली आपको भी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Thank you. Thank you. Happy New Year to you too.
See, she's already smiling and happy.
Bilkul. I'm
That's
always
nice.
happy.
That is true. She's always happy. So, how can I
भाटिया
help
जी,
you?
मेरा
Yes.
yes, thank you. So thank you first of all for whatever you are doing for the community.
Thank you. I appreciate it. हम आपकी क्या
Yeah,
हेल्प कर सकते हैं?
मैं I have question for my son who is going to college next year. He's a high schooler now, so I don't know how to put it, but basically he's still not very sure what field he wants to get into. He's halfway. Like he's interested into business and finance, 50%, and another 50% he want to make it into something in health science, medical field. Mein. So if you could please help me with your knowledge, where do you see him?
This will actually be very easy for us because business
Oh, really?
finance is
Okay.
primarily Mercury and Jupiter, and जो healthcare है that is ruled by either Mars or Moon. So give me your son's date of birth.
Yes, his date of birth is June 13, 2008.
June 30, right?
No, 13. June 13, 2008.
Okay, June 13, 2008. And play
Yeah,
time
and
of birth
time of birth is evening 5:30 p.m.
and place of birth.
Bangalore, India.
Okay. So he's born again June 30th, 2008, 5:30 p.m. in Bangalore, India.
Correct.
तो इनकी जो कुंडली बनती है, he is a Scorpio ascendant. Ruling planet is Mars, which is
Okay.
placed in the 9th house. But unfortunately, Mars debilitated हो गया. Debilitated means he is become a little weak.
Okay.
The question you have is your son's basic undergraduate degree, right?
Yeah. Basically, I want to ask what I want to know is where do you see he would have a better chance, or which field he would make a better career into
And again,
between these two.
repeat those two fields. One was healthcare.
Yeah, one is healthcare, the other one is business and entrepreneurship or finance.
Go for business, entrepreneurship, finance. Those two
Okay.
planets, Mercury and Sun, are placed in his 7th house. हमने कहा है the strongest planets in your kundli are those placed in your 10th house, followed by 7th, क्योंकि 10th is directly overhead and 7th is what looks at you. Mercury and Sun are planets that will draw him into something. So he needs to focus on Sun Mercury. Business finance is what he needs to work on, because
Okay.
finance के घर जो है, which is Mercury, is again Venus बैठ गया, and Venus means he will find more pleasure, more happiness. I see your son
Okay.
marrying and working with his wife in starting
Oh, wow.
something of their own, as opposed to healthcare. Healthcare is run by Moon, जो 12th house में चला गया है. So if your son does still challenge and go into healthcare, which is always a possibility, he will quit that field and he will automatically deviate towards business finance. Business finance
Okay.
makes sense for him. Let him do that. It is
Okay.
more advisable
Okay.
and better. And degree जो है Mercury की, वो 20 degrees है, ascendant 12 पे है, Moon तो बेचारा 1 degree पे बैठा है. So I would
Okay.
I would encourage you to just go into business finance.
Okay. But otherwise, how do you see his future? Like, is he, everything fine, or any concerns or anything we need to take care?
Yes, you have to take care of his health, because Mars is the ruling planet जो debilitate हो गया है.
Okay.
Debilitated
Okay.
planet means ascendant becomes weak, and that
Correct.
in his kundali represents health, stomach health and body immunity. Those are weak in his kundali. So be careful.
And this is okay. This is when, I mean, when do you see this? Like, if I have to take care of his health, maybe focus more on like any time period or anything like that. If you could suggest, please.
Actually, जब ascendant week होता है, how old is your son?
He's 17.
It's still a little early. I would say wait till 22. But you should look into that now. It's never late.
Okay. Look
Look into it. There are so many remedies in astrology which will work for him, which we can recommend. It's not I'm forcing, I'm just recommending. Ascendant week होता है,
of
तो
course.
life improve करो अपनी. Okay?
Okay. All
Chalo,
right. All
good
right.
luck.
Thank you so much, Bhatia ji.
Bye.
Thank you.
I see that you have so many questions. Do call Dr. Saket Bhatia directly, of course, and you will get better clarity. The number is 408-639-5300. So we are talking about astrology and how astrology can give clarity in terms of our growth and success, which we are looking for in 2025. What about numerology?
Numerology. So, आप घर पे कौन सी भाषा बोलते हो? Which language do you speak?
English, Hindi.
English, Hindi.
Yeah.
There are listeners here who speak Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam,
Bangla.
Punjabi.
Yes.
But you don't understand those languages. Then how do you communicate with such people? Through one universal language, hopefully, which is English.
English, yeah.
Right? Or Hindi. Numerology एक language है.
Okay.
Numerology is the language of you. It is the language of humans that understands your potential, your caliber, where you are, where you stand, and how you view the world and how the world views you. Astrology and numerology are two totally different things which are still connected with each other. With astrology, कोई कहता है, what should my son do? Should he do business or should he become in healthcare? Numerology कहेगा, what level of success he will get in that particular business. Numerology kahega, if he were to become a doctor or were to do something in his business, how would he be as a manager? How would he be as a business runner? How would people view him? These two things are very, very connected together. Numerology में numbers होते हैं. There's a life path number, there's a destiny number, there's a soul urge number, there's a heart desire number. What is your capability? What do you want to do? What do you aspire? What will make you happy? How the world perceives you, what energy level you have. ये सारे align करके we try to make certain कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो. For example, you're an RJ at Radio Zindagi. By technical trade, you may have had another background. Then why did you come into this field? Heart's desire. हाथ कहता है ये करना है मुझे. दिमाग कहता है मैं कुछ और चीज करने के लिए पैदा हुई थी. How do you align these? This is not astrology, this is numerology. So हमने पहले भी when this, again I'm coming back to the nice lady who called us, who I told her, your son could do healthcare because moon, 12th house में है, but he'll eventually come back into business. Now numerology will tell us when he will come back into business. It will also tell us how successful he will be in his business. So they're very, very related. In fact, I have told constantly on the show, numerology is growing faster. More people, the number of people that come to me for astrology is, let's say, 1400 में से 1200. But this year I expect 1400 में से 1100 and then 300 for numerology. 50% jump होता है. More Indians are coming for numerology. In fact, India में numerology is becoming a craze.
Of course.
One of the shows I will do is Loshu grid. We will talk about a grid concept in numerology, number concept, what numbers mean, और आपकी कुंडली में कौन सा number missing है, and simple remedies how you can make those numbers strong. Like 5 एक balance का number होता है. How well tuned you are, how balanced you are with family, work, kids, life, career. And then there is like an 8 number and a 6 number, and कौन सा number आपकी कुंडली में missing है. Numerology में भी कुंडली होती है.
Okay.
And then what are some easy, simple remedies you should do, you can do, so you can make your life better. Same with astrology. Instead of, listeners calling me and saying, this is my date of birth, time of birth, एक simple सा quiz है listeners के लिए. Why don't you see what you've missed in life and what is not going your way? Could be your health is bad, could be relationship is bad, could be वो job promotion नहीं मिल रहा, could be job नहीं मिल रहा, could be, some other issue. And then we can analyze and look at that particular planet and see वो planet को क्या block कर रहा है. If you think relationship में issue है, it could be your partner, it could be you. Is Venus getting blocked? Is Jupiter getting blocked? कुछ तो है कुंडली में which is getting blocked, which is, or there is something which is overshadowing, which is causing this problem. Same with numerology. There are planes in numerology. There are yogs in numerology. There are money yogs. There is education yoga. सब होता है, and they work very well. Numerology, in my concept, is just as tricky as astrology, but it's just that numerology is more well defined. It is more structured. इसके आंसर्स थोड़े और कॉन्क्रीट होते हैं एज अपोज टू एस्ट्रोलॉजी जिसमें बैक एंड फोर्थ बहुत रहता है.
But they go hand in hand.
They go hand in hand. I'm not going to say one is easier than the other or one is more accurate. They're both valid sciences. They're both very well respected, well understood. दोनों को combine कीजिए तो it gives you a thorough picture of what is going to happen. And then उसके अंदर वास्तु डाल दो.
Okay. तो complete answer.
Complete answer मिल जाता है, right? Many people work from home these days.
Yeah.
Now अगर घर पे imagine you have dark dingy environment, curtains रखे हैं, you can't focus. You want clutter free environment, you want more energy
Light.
flow, you want more light. Energy flow क्या होता है? It just simply means things are moving around in the way they should be. You are more energetic. If you get up in the morning, you look at the sun and you're working facing the sun, you'll be more productive. On the other hand, if you turn your back to the sun, the shadows hitting your monitor, you're not going to look outside. अब दीवार को देख रहे हो, you won't be productive. Look at what Apple did with their campus. They built a round campus full of glass, so light can come in from all directions.
directions.
In between, they had trees. Why? So it gives you more natural beauty. This is what Vastu is.
And
More-
that's how you increase productivity.
Exactly. That's what you do.
That's logical.
Look out. Look at the light. You feel better. Combine astrology, numerology, Vastu, and your life will be better. We are getting inundated, literally, with calls for Vastu this year. अब साल start हुआ है, and we are already
All the
getting.
realtors are telling that Vastu compliant homes are selling quicker in market.
Not only are they
Straight
selling
away.
quicker, they sell for significantly more value because they are in demand.
But I didn't know that people are like even when buying property, and यहाँ पर तो when there are pre-constructed houses, I thought that's like a given.
No, even if you have pre-constructed house, you can still make some amendments. You can make changes to your house.
Yeah.
People need to understand. Vastu doesn't mean हम आपका bathroom तोड़ के
दीवार
वहाँ
तोड़ देंगे,
kitchen बना
exactly.
देंगे. That's not how it works.
जी.
We just do a simple audit and say, okay, you need this theme, this color, this structure, this placement here, there. And believe me, it does make a world of a difference. It always does. I had a very interesting story in which a realtor came to me stating this house is not selling for the last 8 months in Hayward.
Okay.
We did Vastu on it. We said, we think it should sell. No, it did not sell for at least another 60 days, but it sold. And she did not cut the price. She actually raised the price. So
Wow.
this is one example of how things work. Yes, you can have a better house. If you are thinking of buying a house, you're thinking of selling a house. It's important. Do Vastu because the number of people that are focused on this has really gone up by leaps and bounds. Get a good Vastu person who can do a complete analysis, give you a detailed report and a thumbs up that says, yes, now this house is good to go, or you should be moving into this house. एक burden निकल जाती है. The house is the single largest investment you will make in your life.
Of course.
So be very careful with that.
We have a caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. How are you?
I'm doing good, Dr. Bhatia. I have a question which segues into astrology and numerology. Actually, it's a crossover. So please bear with me with my long question. As per numerology, number 3 is in against or opposition of number 6, which is number of Shukra, and 3 is ruled by Guru. So if I map that out into astrology, so if somebody has Dhanu Rashi as the moon or ascendant or moon sign, does it mean that the person should stay away from white color?
No. It is not a complete picture. Just knowing कि तुम्हारा number 3 है कि number 6 है is not enough for us to figure out what the right color should be for you. Right? What is it you want to achieve? You want to achieve better health? You want to achieve better state of mind? You want to achieve better business? क्या चाहिए आपको? Let's start with that. That's how the picture will evolve. Numerology is two-faced, right? एक होता है Vedic numerology, एक होती है numerology. In basic numerology, we know what number 6 means and what number 3 means, correct? How familiar
Right.
are you with numerology?
A little bit.
So number 3 जो होता है is associated with creativity in numerology. Self-expression, communication, optimism, joy. People जो number 3 होते हैं, they're very social people. They like to speak, they like to go out, they like to talk. ये curious लोग बहुत होते हैं. Number 6 on the other hand जो numerology में है, they are nurturing, compassionate, family, responsibility. It's like a pregnant woman, right? With the outside belly. They like to spread love with everybody. Balance and stability. तो your question is अगर ascendant number 3 हो या number 6 हो या planets किधर और placed हो, right? In astrology, the zodiac sign 3 and 6 are both ruled by Mercury, correct?
3 is Dhanu. So no. My question was कि अगर एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से किसी का मून साइन इज धनु राशि, तो does that person have to stay away from white colors? कि white कपड़े मत पहनो या white dress मत पहनो?
ऐसा नहीं होता.
ऐसा नहीं होता.
ऐसा नहीं होता. That is not right. Not at all right.
Okay, that is good to know because I love white color. It's just my favorite color.
Okay.
And I am Dhanu Rashi by moon sign.
Okay.
So I was wondering, अरे बाप रे, मुझे अभी white color छोड़ना पड़ेगा.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. See, I'm glad. Who told you this? आपने खुद पढ़ा है क्या किसी ने आपको बताया है?
नहीं, मैं न्यूमरोलॉजी पढ़ रही थी. I was trying to. I know about the Loshu grid which you just talked about.
Correct.
So I was going through that, and then I read somewhere that he is in opposition to number 6, and white color is represented by number 6. तो फिर मैं वो सोच रही थी कि अगर न्यूमरोलॉजी में ऐसा है तो फिर वो सेम एस्ट्रोलॉजी में भी हो सकता है क्या?
No, ऐसा नहीं है. What I encourage you all people to do is read as much as you can, always, and then ask questions. You do the right thing, ask. If you want, we can have a detailed conversation on that also. You can always email me, info@saketbhatia.com, and then we can correspond by email. But पढ़ना अच्छा होता है. जितना पढ़ोगे उतनी knowledge बढ़ेगी. So nothing wrong in it. I hate it when people say little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Little knowledge is also better than no knowledge. तो पढ़िए. दिल खोल के पढ़िए and ask me questions if you have them. Okay? Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So we have one more caller.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
Yeah, should I say my birth date or how it goes? I just forgot.
You don't forget your date, place, time. As long as you remember that, we will help you.
No, what I should say, that I forgot. Not birth date so far.
Yeah, birthday, time and place.
You're live on air. How can I help you? What is your name, please?
Anup.
Mr. Anup, आपकी डेट क्या है?
October 17, 1959.
October 17, 1959. आपका टाइम क्या था बर्थ का?
बड़ौदा, इंडिया, 1:30 AM.
अच्छा, और आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है?
क्वेश्चन में एक तो स्ट्रेसर्स आजकल ज्यादा है, फैमिली प्लस नेबर, एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग क्रेजी. आई एम अ calm type of person, but when people doesn't listen nicely, then you have to work different way through your anger, something like that.
तो क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारे लिए आपका?
ये स्ट्रेसर्स कब दूर होंगे, और दूसरा अगर आंसर करे तो आपकी तरफ एक छोटा मोटा घर ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो कुछ मिलेगा कि सेकंड होम? या
सेकंड होम, नॉट प्राइमरी रेजिडेंस, राइट?
आई एम जस्ट राइट नाउ फ्रॉम रोजा.
तो आपके दो क्वेश्चन है, जो गुस्सा है, जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, ये कब जाएंगे, एंड सेकंड होम कब आएगा आपका?
या
तो गुस्सा के लिए हम सेकंड हाउस देखेंगे, विच इज सन. वो सन की दशा चल रही है आपकी, वो गुस्सा देगा आपको. वो गुस्सा आई डोंट सी दैट गोइंग अवे टिल 2027 जनवरी. तब तक आपके प्रॉब्लम्स रहेगा. बाप रे, क्या करे, बाप रे. और घर की बात हुई घर की बात हुई तो अब घर लेना मत. अगर लेना है तो नवंबर 2025 और नवंबर 2026 के बीच में लीजिए, बेटर है आपके लिए.
ओके, गुड. या
और आपका मून जो है वो आपके फर्स्ट हाउस में बैठा है. आप थोड़े इमोशनल हो, सेंसिटिव आदमी हो, थोड़ा रिलैक्सिंग हो, केयरिंग हो. लेट थिंग्स गो बाय. आपका 2026 में अच्छा टाइम आएगा. ओके, गुड लक.
ये केयरिंग तो ज्यादा ही हूँ, लेकिन
पता है
की वजह से रिलैक्सिंग कम हो जाता हूँ. और पूरा बॉडी जो कोई भी चेक करता है, योर बॉडी इज सो स्टीफ. Well, it's safe. What am I going to do?
चलो, गुड लक टू यू. हमारी आरजे हमको टाइम दिखा रही है, बोलती है यू हैव ओनली 1.5 minute left. शी इज लाफिंग बट आई एम द वन स्ट्रेस्ड बिकॉज़ आई हैड अ लॉट मोर टू टॉक.
Ji, thank you so much for to all the callers, and we won't be able to take any more calls. So people who are trying to call us, you can directly reach out Dr. Saket Bhatia by calling 408-639-5300 or write to him info@Saket Bhatia if you have any particular question. Again, it's info@saketbhatia.com, and the website for all the information regarding him is saketbhatia.com. So yes, last 1 minute.
तो लास्ट मिनट में ये कहना है 2024 was not a good year for a lot of people for job. Astrologically हमें लगता है 2025 will be even more challenging, whether it is with job or whether it is with the economy or whether it is with stocks or whether it is with overall geopolitical situation. The latter half of 2025 we expect to be a minor breakdown in terms of astrology, going into at least a year and a half to 2 years. My suggestion to everybody is, भाई देखिए 2024 कैसा था, 2025 में आपको क्या करना है, क्या अचीव करना है हेल्थ वाइज, एंड इट नेवर हर्ट्स. कॉल, टेक एन अपॉइंटमेंट. वी आर नॉट हियर टू फोर्स यू, वी आर हियर टू गाइड यू. हम यही कह रहे हैं कि टेक एन अपॉइंटमेंट सो इट विल हेल्प यू विथ योर लाइफ, हेल्प यू विथ प्लानिंग. यू डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट अनदर ईयर ऑफ योर लाइफ. लाइफ छोटी होती है, मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ इट. आपके आगे काफी लोग निकल गए, आपके फ्रेंड्स आगे निकल गए, फैमिली मेंबर्स आगे निकल गए. मे बी इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टेप अप एंड से, I want to grab it. I want to do better this year. See what the future has in store for you, what life has in stock for you. So give a call. We are here to help you, whether it is astrology, numerology, vastu, or just to improve your life in general. Okay? I wish you guys the very best. Happy New Year to you all again.
And the number where you can call and reach again is 408-639-5300. With that, we are ending today's Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. But we'll be back next Tuesday. Don't forget to tune in. And thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia, for joining us.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZD